guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have an unboxing and it is from Louis Vuitton. And if you're familiar with my channel, then you know I don't really buy any Louis Vuitton. The last item that I bought for myself, I had to look it up on my YouTube. It was from October 2022 and it was the Kirigami set, or the Kirigami pochette, I guess it is, and I love that piece. I did buy a little giveaway prize in between that, but I haven't bought anything since 2022, so I'm really excited. I ordered this piece online. Honestly, the last few pieces I've always ordered online because I just don't like going in store. I don't like the pressure and having to deal with things and, you know, sort of rude sales associates or client advisors, whatever you want to call them. So this piece I have seen before. My friend, the first time I saw this was probably about, I want to say 10 plus years ago. And it's always been on the back of my mind, but I never bought it. So here we go. We all know the classic Louis Vuitton orange. You can always request a bag when you buy it online, so obviously I did that. Receipt is here, and then it is a small leather good. You know me and my Louis Vuitton small leather goods. While I don't really buy any of their handbags because I think that the price point is just way too high, I've always been really attracted to their SLGs, and I find that they last a long time. I left my clay in my work bag, but that was the very first item that I bought. But I do have a few other sort of SLGs from Louis Vuitton. My keyring holder, my 6 keyring holder, which I use daily, from Louis Vuitton. I love it. So I'm really excited to take a peek at this. So like I mentioned, while I saw my friends, I have not seen this in a while. And this is very different from the one that she has. So I'll just open it up. Let's just open it up and show you, because obviously I'm chatting too much, but I ended up picking up there we go. Hopefully you can see the color of it, but I ended up picking up the pocket organizer, and this comes in so many different prints. With the canvas version, it also comes in leather as well, like the epi leather, but I opted for the canvas and I just love this. I really liked a lot of the items from the collab that Louis Vuitton did with Tyler, the creator, and I was planning on getting that pocket organizer, but because it was all that sort of unfinished leather, that Vachetta leather, I just didn't want to chance it with water spots, and because I'm not the most gentle with my SLGs, I just didn't want to risk it. As you can see, the color is amazing. It has this sort of light baby blue. It's coming up brighter up close, but it's almost sort of like this baby blue plus the orange plus the green. And I believe, I'm just checking on my phone, it says it was the style of the damier squares is inspired by the pattern's original treatment. The inside is what got me, like it's definitely coming up a bit more blue. I would say that this is full on sort of a teal color. It's gorgeous. Where is this one made? It's made in France. Okay, thank you, because I know it could have been made in France, Spain, the US, or I can't remember the other spot. But I'm really happy that this one is made in France, and it says pre-fall 2024 because that's the collection that it's part of, but I love it. So I was a little bit hesitant because it is this lighter canvas here. It is coated canvas, which I find is really hardy, but because it's light, I was a little bit hesitant. And because, I don't know if you can see, the stitching is white as well, and I know that that can pick up dirt really easily, so that's why I sort of thought about it for about 4 to 5 days. But because I couldn't stop thinking about it, I knew it was something that I wanted. The inside is not the white threads there, or the white stitching. It is also matching with the teal. I wish you could see this because it's definitely not a baby blue. It is like in person, it is more sort of that light teal color, but it is gorgeous. So the pocket organizer, if you're not familiar with it, it's from the men's line, but they do now offer it on the women's side as well, just because I think it is really functional. So it has one outside pocket there, which I love. I usually put my most used credit card there, or I'll put like a ticket stub if I'm parking somewhere in there, or if I need to do a return, I'll put my receipts or something in an outer pocket. And then the inside here, there's 1, 2, 3 pockets, and then there's 1, 2, 3 sort of card slots, as well as another one that you could put cards in here, and then another slot in the back. So it makes a really nice compact wallet. I think the only thing that it is possibly lacking is an area to put your coins or your change in, but because I use my clay for that, I don't need a separate compartment for coins. Even with, for example, this small little YSL one, I never really keep coins in here. I keep maybe the occasional like dollar or a quarter for shopping carts and stuff like that, but I don't like to keep change in my actual wallet because I find that it makes it a little bit heavy and bulky, and it can kind of warp the zipper. The same with this Louis Vuitton men's coin card holder, which I love this. I've always said that this is one of my best SLGs, and it, to this day it still is. This is from the men's line, so it has the silver hardware. It's just so amazing, and again, it has a spot for coins, but I never put any coins in there. And then my other one that I'm currently using from Louis Vuitton, this one is discontinued. This I think was called, I think this is the equivalent to a key pouch from the men's line, but it's just sort of an open pocket. I don't want to sort of show you because I have cards in there, but it's just a really open pocket, and I like this one way more than my clay. You could put coins in here if you wanted to, but I just like the design of it a little bit better, and I love that you can open it up really wide. Then the other two sort of smaller SLGs I have that coin compartment would be my Loewe. It's very similar to the coin card holder from Louis Vuitton, the same kind of style. They make a lot of these nowadays, I think because they're so popular as little mini wallets. But this one, again, I never put coins in there. And then my last one you may have never seen. I got this one a long time ago. This is from Saint Laurent. This is the fragment card holder. I had the one that was originally just like this, and then I gave it to my husband, and then we ended up giving that to my brother because I bought my husband the Tom Brown one last year. But this one, again, I don't put coins in it. So I definitely don't need a spot for change, but I love this. Like I said, I'm gonna have to be a little bit more careful with this one because it is white. I feel like the coated canvas will be easier to clean. Like, I am not the most careful person. Like, this blue on my hand is from cookies decorating at work. So I will have to be a little bit more careful with this, and obviously if I'm eating, just to be careful with touching it because I don't want the stitches to change color, but I just think it's gorgeous. Maybe the color's coming up a little bit better now. It still looks, oh, I feel like it's coming up a little bit better. Now I can definitely tell it's that brighter sort of teal color, but it is just so stunning. I love this, and I cannot wait to use it. Price of this has definitely gone up because this one is sort of a special edition. I don't know if it's limited. This one is 625 Canadian, which is pricey for an SLG, I know. If you just want to get the regular version in the monogram or the damier ben, then it is $530. So this one is, you know, $100 more, but I really loved this one. And like I said, I couldn't stop thinking about it for, you know, 4 to 5 days, so I got it. I will link it down below if you are interested in it, but it is still available on the site. It was going in and out of stock as well, so if you can't find it online, definitely check in store. I know when I called Louis Vuitton, because it wasn't available online, they did have it in stock at the Holt Renfrew, but then it came back in stock, and so I decided to get it. So I definitely love this little piece. So I will be moving out of this one into this one here. If you do want to see what fits in it, please let me know, but come on, like, tell me this is not just so beautiful with that color. Oh, I love it. I really wish the one with the collab with Tyler, the Creator, the green one was really beautiful. I really wish that they had put like a coated canvas on the inside. I think if it were in like that green, or if it were in a pink, it would have been amazing. I'm so happy with this, and I cannot wait to use it. I didn't even check it. That's how excited I am about it. I feel like the glazing is all really good. I also feel like the Louis Vuitton items that you get online are a little bit better. The ones in store, I don't know, there's something about it, but I've never had any issues with any of the items that I bought online, and I feel like this one is also totally fine. And then the actual glazing is also white, but love it. Let me know your thoughts on this, and whether you'll be picking up any of them. I think the price point, while it's still expensive, it's still under $1,000 from Louis Vuitton, so I think this would also make a really nice present. But let me know your thoughts on my new Louis Vuitton purchase, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!